once again to our English lesson. We are going to start a lesson which focuses on Unit 12 of your Grade 10 textbook. Today we are going to practice grammar. Let's learn how to report future actions correctly. Let's start the lesson. Children, when we want to tell someone else what another person has said, we use reported speech. We did a lesson on reported speech in Unit 1. It was the third lesson in Unit 1. In that lesson, I explained in detail about reported speech. If you watch it first, it will be easier for you to understand this lesson. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, do it to watch all our lessons. As you have already learnt, some changes take place when a statement is reported. Let's recap them one by one. Look at this example. The statement made by Mithuni, "I am late," is reported as Mithuni said that she was late. What Mithuni said in present tense has become past tense when reported. In general, the present tense form of the verb in direct speech changes into past tense in reported speech. Now let me explain in detail how to change the present tense reported verb in reported speech. As you can see, all present tense verbs in the reported statements take their past form. So in the statement "I am not well," "am not" changes into "was not." In the second statement "I can't come," "can't" changes as "couldn't." And in the third one, which is "I will call you," "will" changes into "would." Okay children, let's pay attention to what Mithuni said once again. She says, "I am late." But what happened to the pronoun "I" when it's reported? When the statement is reported, the pronoun "I" changed into "she." So when reporting a statement, you have to change the pronoun accordingly. Also remember these changes that usually occur when a statement is reported. I have explained these in detail in my earlier lesson. So go through this leisurely once again in case you have forgotten. Okay children, I hope now you can remember all these basics you have learned regarding reported speech. Let's do an activity to practice what you have learned. Look at these statements. All these statements are in future tense. They are all about future actions. You have to write all these in reported speech now. The reporting clauses of all the 5 statements are already given. You have to complete the rest of the statements. Don't forget to change the tense as well as the pronouns when reporting. Okay, you can pause the video and do it now. Okay, let's check your answers. Look at the first one. "I will cook dinner today." As the reporting clause, you have Amali said that. So how do you complete that sentence? Amali said that she would cook dinner that day. So here will has to be changed to would. Don't forget to change the pronoun I to she. And also remember to change today to that day. Okay, let's check the second one. The teacher will help you. You have to start with the principal said that. So what would you write here? The principal said that the teacher would help us. Here also will changes as would and the pronoun you changes to us. Third one is Ruan will clean the classroom tomorrow. You have to start with the teacher said that. So the answer is The teacher said that Ruan would clean the classroom the following day. With the other changes, you have to change tomorrow to the following day as well. Fourth one is Sandani will prepare tea for us. What is the answer? Mother said that Sandani would prepare tea for them. Last one is all the children will sing with me. You have to start with the singer said that. So the answer is the singer said that all the children would sing with him or her. Here we don't know whether the singer is male or female. You can write him or her as appropriate. Okay children, I hope you got all the answers correct. Okay children, now we have come to the end of today's lesson on reported speech. In this lesson, we learned how to report future actions correctly. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.